got they drink, who 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 got they drink.
So this is the hospital I'm gonna try to stay at. This is the parking lot I'm gonna try to sleep in. And yeah, we'll see. I get a better one. It's a pretty big hospital for sure. The other one I went to had like construction and stuff, and had like a garage parking, and I don't know if I want to do that just yet. I don't know if I want to do garage parking right now. Maybe in the future, maybe sometime I'll try it, but just not right now. So yeah, I thought we'd give it a go tonight. If I don't know, there's other ones I'm sure, but they're a little bit smaller. I don't know, we'll get away with those. There is security here now, so that's one thing gotta look out for. See if it's okay. I don't know. There's some RVs and stuff, so maybe, I don't know, maybe it's okay. I don't know, we'll find out. Ooh. Wants to play today. Just doing some DoorDash real quick. Before I have a lot of time, I guess, before I get to the hospital. I don't want to be there too early. So, gotta do some of this. Crazy DoorDash run, crazy order. Man, I feel just like being stupid driving and whatnot. I'm gonna get some food and hit the spot. Alright, got some food. Did you guys ever realize how much cheaper the kids meal is at Chipotle? Like, you almost get the same, I mean, the portions are a little bit smaller obviously, but you almost get the same stuff. Like, you can get the same stuff almost. I'm sure the portions are like a little bit less, but like the price is just so much. It's like 40% less, and you almost get the same stuff with the kids menu. It's like, wow. I don't know, especially for me since I don't get meat. But yeah, the best drink ever, if you go there, drinks are really expensive too, so I don't know if you want to get drinks, but the best thing to do is you get like 35% like carbonated water, and then you do like the agua berry fresca kind of thing drink. It's good. You mix it up with the carbonated water. It's really good. But yeah, gonna eat real quick. Okay. Says it's 24/7, so hopefully we'll be okay. There's this spot which is like emergency. This area. There's a RV over there. But I don't know if this is like the best spot though. Like this is kind of like the back area. Hang on. What the fuck? Is it raining? Yeah, they have like RV. Don't be too hot. They have like RV hookups right there. So you can like hook up your RV. I don't know why at a hospital, but they do. There we go. Oh, get back inside, it's raining. I kind of want to find other spots or a better spot. I mean, this is an option, like right over here. This like wall. Obviously not gonna sleep like we're right in there. It's too obvious. But they do have this like wall back here that might be a good place to do it. Like back here. Aside from that, man, excuse me, my voice is, I don't know what the heck is going on with my throat. But, oh shoot, I need to go the other way. I've seen security here, so that might be it back there, I don't know. And who knows what the restrictions are. The restrictions are for this, I don't really know. Or if they even up, I don't know. I mean, there's no signs. It's supposed to be 24 hours. And I've done this before in a few other hospitals. I think in Colorado I did. Yeah, Colorado, yeah. There's a few good ones where you could just get some good spots and just like snuggle in, I guess. But yeah, none of them had security like this one does. This one has like roaming security, and I don't want to be too obvious. So it's like, do we face? Then that way is like facing the road, and I don't have back covers. This way is not. Visitor parking. Ugh. This one, this way is less conspicuous, I guess. You kind of blend in with these cars, however long they're staying here. So there's this option, which we might do. I have 22 miles on it. Yeah, I kind of used to do both, I guess, at the hospital. I wasn't like too out there, that's like obvious, but then I also wasn't like, yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, I wasn't like too out there, but then I wasn't like right up in everybody's face, like right in front of the entrance. So it's like, yeah, I mean, you could do this, but it's a little more obvious, I feel like. Yeah, and then there's like another parking lot over there, but that's like wide open. It's like a different building. Man. Yeah, that would be too obvious. So we're stuck with this, or that back wall back there. I wonder if I backed up, if anybody could see me. I always used to wonder if people in like the hospital buildings could see me. But I don't know. Oh, it's closed. It's a big hospital though. Ginormous. Look at all those rooms. 98% COVID. Or whatever, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe less. Maybe nothing at all, I don't know. Alright. Oh, cancer cure, dang. I don't know where we should go with this, guys. It's just like you're like too close or you're like obvious. Okay, so this is one. It's like decent. You got this back weed section right here, and then you have the road back there, main road, and then the rest of the hospital right there. So, on the parking lot. I don't know. It's a little obvious, like kind of sticking out right here. All right, this is spot 2. This might not be a bad spot. Kind of like out here. There's the road back there. Hospital way down there. You know, kind of really the only one over here. So, but then, yeah, if people do come down this road, might be able to see inside. I don't know. So let's see. All right. Got my flashlight on. I think this spot is okay for now. But I mean, I don't see any security, but I don't know. I don't know if we'll get kicked out, but yeah, I don't know. I think the other spot's kind of like better for long term. Well, I don't know, because it's like emergency, and I kind of like stick out a little bit right there rather than here, but I just feel like I'm a little more in the open here because you have this road right to the right of me, but then the other one I'm kind of alone, but then there's still a little more traffic over there. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay here for now. I'll let you know if I move. But yeah. I think this spot is okay on the second one. I think it's just gonna be the morning that's gonna be a little bit harder. But got my stuff covering covered up. Like hear stuff around and you're not sure what it is exactly or who it is. So it was the helicopter that landed. Jeez, it's loud. That's pretty hot. Normally I have my fan, but I don't have batteries for it, and it gets pretty cold at night, but right now it's pretty hot, so I'm kind of like sweating a bit, but it is what it is. Can't keep my windows all the way down, so this is what I have to do. Alright, so I did it. Stupid lens always gets... I don't know what the freaking lens thing is. Alright, so I did it. It's about 7. It was, man, it was a rough night though, for sure. It was like hot. It was like super hot pretty much. I couldn't... I mean, it cooled down, especially right now, but it was still pretty hot. A lot of noise too from the road and other things going on. Just couldn't really get a full night's sleep. And then, yeah, I mean, I never got bothered though, never knocked on the door. I think, so that was just the security. I didn't really get a good shot of him, but there was a guy in a truck, and I'm pretty sure I saw him once, and I like hid under the covers at like 6:30 or whatever. But yeah, he never really bothered me. He wasn't there last night, but he was there this morning. Must have been like 6 a.m. or whatever. So yeah, I mean, if I were to do it again, I wouldn't do that side. I would do probably a different side, probably the other side. I'll try that one, I think, but I don't know. It just didn't seem like a good... It's doable if you have to for a night, but there's better spots out there for sure. So yeah, thanks for watching my crazy venture journey. Make sure to like and subscribe. Helps out a lot. Helps the algorithms do its thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to lock your doors and be safe out there, guys. It's a crazy world.